In this video, we are going to learn about data profile inside Centerprise. Data profile is a mean to collect field statistics of your data. Say for example, in this case, I have customers data that is coming in form of fixed length source. So let's have a look at the data. So my data has information about the customers, the company name, contact name, their address, so on and so forth. If I would like to do statistics on each of the individual pieces of data, that is the fields of data, in that case I would be using data profile. To use a data profile, you go to logging and data quality, drag and drop data profile onto the designer, and you can see here it doesn't have any members, so whichever field you want to collect the statistics on, you will drag and drop onto the new member. So you can drag and drop 1 or 2, or if you want you can add all the fields. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do auto map and add all the fields to the profile. So now you can see here for each of the source fields there is a map, and it is going into one of the fields inside profile, and in that way it is going to collect statistics for each of these fields. Let's go ahead and look at the properties of profile. It is asking me where it is going to store the profile. So it stores the profile in XML format with the extension .prof. So let's go ahead and create a profile. I'm going to call it customers prof, and then save it. It's going to be called customers prof.prof, and then you have options such as if you want to auto append date and time to file name on each run. That means since it is going to create a new file every time the data flow runs, do you want to append the date and time to differentiate among different profiles generated for the different runs of the same data flow. Then you have different levels of statistics. You can do basic statistics, no statistics, detailed statistics with the case sensitive comparison, or detailed one with case insensitive comparison. Let's go ahead and do detailed with case sensitive comparison, and click on OK, and your profile is ready. At this point we can go ahead and run it. So the flow is running, and it is basically collecting profile for the source data. You notice that there are outgoing ports as well, so if you want you can send the data forward from this node, and you can do further processing of the data. Let's have a look at the trace here. The data flow has run, and it has written data profile to this file, and this is the path that we specified inside the property of profile. So we can click on this, and it has opened the profile inside the Centerprise. And if you expand the tree, you can see here each of the fields, those were mapped inside the profile, they are appearing here, and if you click on any of these it will show you the statistics. For the customer, you can see here it has collected data such as what is the null count, null percent, error count, error percent, warning count, warning percent, distinct count, that means how many distinct customer names are there, distinct percent, duplicate count, the maximum value, minimum value, how many blanks are there, minimum string length, maximum string length. So this is since it is a text, it has only these many. So if you go to something that has real numbers, then you'll see statistical values such as mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and all those mathematical measures of central tendencies. You can open the profile from directly inside the trace, or if you want you can go to the file, open, and you can point to that profile file and open it from there. Such as I just created this customer prof.prof. I click on this and open it, it is going to open it here. So that's how Centerprise creates data profiles for the data fields. Thanks for watching this video.